Hi everyone, this is Venkat Narayana. Today I am going to analyze Mindtree Quarter 1 Financial 22 results. This is not the recommendation. We are going to discuss for education purpose only. We are going to discuss year-on-year results and quarter-on-quarter results, but we'll give more importance for year-on-year results. Here amounted millions. We are going to discuss year-on-year. That means we'll compare June 30, 2020 results with June 30, 2021 results. First one is revenue from operations. Previous year 1908 crores, this year 2291 crores. Here it was increased from 1908 crores to 2291 crores, means approximately 320 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here revenue 20% increased year on year. This is positive side. Later other income. Previous year 40 crores, this year 71 crores. Here other income was increased 30 crores. Later expenses. First one is employee benefit expenses. Previous year 277 crores. This year 1367 crores. Here approximately 90 crores employee benefit expenses was increased. Later finance cost. Previous year 13 crores. This year 12 crores. That means here they are reducing the debt and also they are paying only 12 crores as interest. That means this company is zero debt company. That is positive side. Later depreciation. Previous year 59 crores, this year 58 crores. We'll ignore this one. Other expenses. Previous year 309 crores, this year 459 crores. So here approximately 150 crores other expenses was increased. What we observed based on revenue from operations and expenses. Here revenue from operations increased 320 crores. Other income increased 30 crores. Employee benefit expenses increased from 277 crores to 1367 crores. That means 90 crores. Finance cost decreased. Other expenses increased from 309 crores to 459 crores. That means approximately 150 crores. Now check profit before tax. Previous year 289 crores. This year 465 crores. That means approximately 180 crores was increased. This is positive side. We'll check it in percentage. So here profit before tax increased 60.5% year on year. So this is good side. Later tax expenses, current tax. Previous year they paid 72 crores. This year 124 crores. Here current tax was increased. Total net profit is previous year 213 crores. This year 340 crores. That means approximately 130 crores profit was increased. This is positive side. We'll check it in percentage. The 61.2% increased. What we observed based on year-on-year results. Here revenue was increased 20%. Profit before tax increased 60.5%. Profit after tax increased 61.2%. So these are good figures. So next one is paid up equity share capital. Previous year 164 crores. This year 164 crores. Here paid up equity share capital is not changed. Later basic earning per share. Previous year 12 rupees 94 pice. This year 20.85 pice. So here basic earning per share increased from 12 rupees to 20 rupees. This is positive side. Now we'll check quarter on quarter results. Here first one is revenue from operations. It was increased from 2109 crores to 2291 crores. We'll check it in percentage. Here 8.6% quarter on quarter increase. This is positive side. Next one is profit before tax. It was increased from 418 crores to 465 crores. That means approximately 45 crores increase. We'll check it in percentage. Here 11% increased. Later net profit for the period. Previous quarter 317 crores. This quarter 343 crores. Here approximately 25 crores increased. We'll check it in percentage. Here 8.2% increase. What we understood based on year-on-year results and quarter-on-quarter results. Mindtree year-on-year results are very good and quarter-on-quarter results are average. We'll give more importance for year-on-year results. That means Mindtree year-on-year results are very good. Now we'll check investor presentation of Mindtree. Here company snapshot. So totally Mindtree contains 27,000 employees. So they have 10 delivery locations. So currently 260 plus active clients. So they are operating in 24 countries. Go down. So here strategy for profitable growth. So here industry groups. They have 4 industry groups. One is RCM. RCM means retail, consumer, product, manufacturing. Next one is BFSI, that is banking, financial services and insurance. Third one is TTH, that means travel, transport, logistics, hospitality. Fourth one is CMT, that is communication, media, technology. So they are operating in four geographies. One is North America, second is UK and Ireland, third is continental Europe, fourth is APAC and Middle East. We'll ignore these things. Here we'll check this one, revenue by industry groups. So they have four industry groups. One is BFSI, CMT, RCM, TTH, healthcare. So first one is BFSI, that is 18.2, CMT 14.5 percentage, RCM 22.1, TTH 13.3, healthcare 1.0. So from these businesses, CMT occupies 45.4 percentage, RCM 22.1 and BFSI 18.2. So what we understood based on this one is, so CMT is their main business. Here half of the revenue is occupying from CMT. Later, revenue by service lines and geographies. So here geography mixer. So North America occupies 76.6 percentage. Here continental Europe 8.6, UK and Ireland 7.6, APAC and Middle East 7.2. Here from North America they are getting 76.6 percentage. That means North America business is key business for Mindtree. So if dollar will be fluctuate with INR, then at that time their profits and revenues will be affected. We need to remember that point. So here total contract value, quarter 1 financial 21 they got 391 million. In quarter 4 financial 21, $375 million. Quarter 1 financial 22 they got $504 million. So here total contract value increased from $375 million to $504 million. This is positive side. And here active clients, quarter 1 financial 21 they have 292 active clients. Quarter 1 financial 22 they have 260 active clients. Here active clients are decreased 32. So this is negative side. In quarter 1 financial 22 they added 6 new clients. In quarter 1 financial 22 they added 7 new clients. So here what we observe from this one is, so here number of active clients decreased from 292 to 260. This is negative side. Here we have information about new deals. One is, one of the world leading investment manager is selected as a strategic partner for multi-year managed services engagement to drive innovation and differentiate experiences by modernizing and transferring its IT infrastructure. Next one is, a multinational technology leader has entered into long-term agreement with us for cloud and infrastructure support service. Next one is, a global leader in automobile manufacturing has chosen us. Next one is, a global travel management company has chosen us. A world leader in steel wire based products has partnered with us. So these are the new deals. This is positive side. We'll ignore these things. So here employee metrics. In last 12 months, they added 5,000 new employees. So here software professionals, in quarter 1, they have 20,851. Quarter 1 financial 22, they have 25,861. Here approximately 5,000 new employees added in 1 year. Later, utilization. In quarter 1 financial 21, here 75.5 percentage utilization. In quarter 1 financial 22, 83.2 percentage. So here employee utilization is increased. This is positive side. Next one is, here effort mix. Here on-site people are 16.5 percentage, offshore are 83.5 percentage. So previous quarter on-site is 19.8, then it was decreased to 16.5. This positive side. Here offshore increased from 80.2 percentage to 83.5 percentage. Here increased and this one is decreased. We'll ignore these things. Now check valuation of Mindtree. So current price of Mindtree is 2,494 rupees. PE before results is 37. PE after results is 33. That means due to good results, PE was decreased from 37 to 33. This is positive side. So we'll compare current PE with 3 years median PE. So current PE is 33. 3 years median PE is 23.5. If we compare 3 years median PE, currently Mindtree is overvalued, but we need to remember other points. If we check last 4 quarter results, in September quarter they got 87.9% profits. In December quarter 65.7%. In March quarter 53.8%. In June quarter 61.2%. So in each quarter they got very good results. Now we'll check the price for last 1 year. Here we have last 1 year chart. So last year price is 977 rupees. Current price is 2500. That means here price was increased from 1000 to 2500. Approximately 1500 was increased due to very good results in the last 4 quarters. So one more point. Here if we check the dividends. So previous year in July 6 they gave 10 rupees as dividend. This year 5th July they gave 17.5. Here dividend was increased from 10 rupees to 17.5. This is positive point. So conclusion is PE before results is 37, PE after results is 33. Due to good results, PE was reduced. This positive sign. Good year-on-year results, zero debt, reasonable valued based on current market conditions. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.